Hodi Bush Safari Camp, a new boutique, high-quality safari lodge adjacent to Ruaha National Park in southern Tanzania. Nature Investment Group is helping the owners to create a large community conservation area, linking the lodge with the park.
My name is Thomas Tamla, the first general manager of Hodi Bush Camp Ruaha. I welcome you to stay here at that luxury camp. It's 100 kilometers from Iringa town before you reach Ruaha National Park gate. The camp is having 7 rooms, 2 family rooms and 5 double rooms with the occupancy of mostly 24 parks.
As the Northern Safari Circuit becomes increasingly overcrowded, more and more discerning visitors and safari companies are turning to the stunning parks of the South, the centerpiece of which is the huge, wild and beautiful Ruaha National Park, full of important populations of elephants, lions and wild dogs.
Our staff team are great and everything is, you feel happy when you're here. The camp is more based on the poaching, supporting the village. So we are locally supplying and purchasing. So please welcome you, enjoy our camp and feel free to stay here.